Can you guess the animal from its shadow? How many can you guess? Let's get started. Only the smartest detectives can solve this one. Can you guess the animal? You guessed it, it's a lion. Can you guess the animal? And the shadow belongs to a tiger. Did you get it right? Can you guess the animal? It's a rhinoceros. Can you guess the animal? It's an elephant. Can you guess the animal? It's a zebra. Can you guess the animal? It's a cat. Can you guess the animal? It's a dog. Can you guess the animal? It's a cow. Can you guess the animal? It's a sheep. Can you guess the animal? It's a fox. Can you guess the animal? It's a rabbit. Can you guess the animal? It's a deer. Can you guess the animal? It's a horse. Can you guess the animal? It's a kangaroo. Can you guess the animal? It's a panda. Can you guess the animal? It's a monkey. Can you guess the animal? It's a giraffe. Can you guess the animal? It's an alligator. Can you guess the animal? It's a squirrel. Can you guess the animal? It's a hippopotamus. Can you guess the animal? It's a snake.
That's it for today's Guess the Animal Challenge. Did you guess them all right? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a fun new challenge. See you in the next video. Stay curious and keep guessing.